By the time you finish watching this video, you will be using 100% of your brain. Because since when we're small, they've been telling us, oh, you only use 10% of your brain. But if you do this exercise, take this supplement, or you unlock the other 90%. Foul. They're lying to you. As a matter of fact, that's the fullness of this video. You can go home. But before you do that, click the subscribe button, put the bell beside it. You cannot miss videos like this, because they'll be lying to you up and down. See, now we have what we call fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging, which can allow scientists see in real time the parts of your brain that are working during different activities. And what did they find? Ask me what they found. Every part of your brain is showing activity at some point, not 10%. All of it. Because they put that line inside our head, there's only 10%. So in my brain, I'm only thinking that there's only 10%. So what's not the rest for? Even when you are sleeping, your brain is busy. Yeah, it's arranging memories, it's running your breathing, it's regulating your heart rate, it's clearing waste products. See, as a matter of fact, there are scientists of the brain that discovered that in 2013, that your brain has what they call a glymphatic system, which means it's clearing wastes. It's like Loma. Especially when you are sleeping, deep sleep. Because your brain detoxifies itself when you are sleeping. And it uses over 10% of it to do so at every given moment. Now, you need to also understand that not every region is firing at full speed at the same time. Because if that happens, you will have a seizure. But throughout the day, across different things that you are doing, if you are thinking, if you are feeling, if you are moving, if you are seeing, if you are dreaming, if you are talking to your babe or your husband, everything in your brain is being used. That 10% is fake news. Inside your whole body, your brain is about 2% of your body's weight. But you see that 2% is using 20% of all the energy your body is making. Does that sound like an organ that you're only using 10% of? If you only use 10% of your brain, you will use less energy. But no, the energy consumption alone helps you understand that the brain takes a lot of energy from your body because everything is working inside your brain. Think of it like a generator. Your generator does not run everything on full blast all the time. It will allocate power to what you are using, which means, but there's how you put something on in your house. All of a sudden, the sound of your generator will change. Yes. It shows that your generator can power 100% of your house. It's managing everything that your house is giving. Let's now talk about what they call brain booster supplement. And I know that there are some of you have seen it. They tell you that, it can improve your memory, it can improve your focus, it can improve your intelligence, it can unlock more of your brain. They are using new words, nootropics, which is actually one fancy word that they created. And it says it's going to use it to enhance how you think. Guess what? People are making billions of dollars out of it. But here's the problem. If you're a healthy adult, you don't have any underlying deficiency. There is no supplement that can improve your intelligence, improve your memory, improve your cognitive performance, at least not in trials. Maybe they are doing their own somewhere else, but not in clinical trials. None. Even the ones they are selling for 10,000 naira, even the one that they imported. None. Now, are there some compounds that can also help your brains? Yes. Omega-3 fatty acids, for instance, has been shown to support your brain health. But you can get it from things like fish, sardine. You can get it from Titus. You can get it from kote, mackerel. It's cheaper and more effective than almost any supplement you will take. Another thing you also need to understand is vitamin Bs. Also very important for function of the nerves, which are also in the brain. But you see, it only works when you are deficient, and you can get them from food. So Emeka, that supplement company that is telling you brain boost, they are not unlocking any separate in your brain. As a matter you are thinking that's how you are going to think. They will not unlock any special thing. The only thing they are unlocking is your wallet. That's all. Some of these products are also very risky because they found out that some of these nootropic, that thing that we said earlier, are containing stimulants, things that can speed up your nervous system, which means that they can also raise your blood pressure, they can affect your sleep, they can cause anxiety, and in people with heart conditions, it can be dangerous. Always check what is in anything before you put it inside your body. If you don't know, you can ask our doc. Quickly, just go to your WhatsApp, click, our doc, I saw this thing inside the supplement, what exactly is it? And it will give you the African answer for it. What now supports your brain performance? Number one, sleep. I keep coming back to this because sleep is just lie down and sleep. Because sleep is when your brain rearranges what it learns during the day, move it from information, move it from short-term memory to long-term memory, Very important. So if you're struggling with your memory or struggling to remember things, sometimes one of the things that can help you is sleep. Number 2, exercise. See, when you're exercising, especially aerobic exercises, running, jogging, boxing, all of those things, they increase something inside your brain called the hippocampus, the region of your brain that is responsible for memory and learning. So exercise actually grows a part of your brain. Walk, jog, dance. If you just sit down from morning till night, you're not doing anything. Your brain is gonna suffer. Your brain is gonna suffer. Oh, work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. That play where them talk inside, now exercise do that. Number 3, try and learn new things. See, your brain is like muscle. When you use it, it becomes stronger. If you don't use it, you lose it. So your brain gets stronger when you use it, not from supplements. So do things. Learn a new language. There's AI now that can teach you a new language. Learn new skill. Open book and read. Some of you, since they born you have not read book. But I watch all the TikTok online. Do puzzles. When you are doing all these things, your brain is creating new connections inside one of themselves. And even the current one that's already there is making it stronger. They call it use it or lose it. It's for your brain. Another thing that can also help strengthen your brain is social connection. You see loneliness? Loneliness can actually scatter your brain. So go outside and touch grass. Develop what we call meaningful relationship. Some of you also need to improve the kind of conversations that happen with other people. Not every time you're talking about other people's business. That's not the type of conversation you should be having. These things will keep your brain sharp. But if you're always, talking about stupid things, you can keep your brain dull. Which means that you see that your mommy's WhatsApp voice notes, that one that she said, as annoying as it is actually good for your mommy's brain. It's helping her. She's talking to yourself, send your own voice note back to her. Number 5, chop good food. See, your brain is about 60% fats and it needs omega-3 fatty acids to maintain that structure. It needs glucose for fuel. It needs antioxidants to fight inflammation inside the brain. So things like egusi with ugu and fresh fish, good for your brain. So you're expecting me to say one funny food like that? No. Another thing you also need to do is manage stress. See, cortisol, which is the main stress hormone inside your brain, when it's too high, it can be dangerous to your brain cell, especially the hippocampus. So chronic stress can actually shrink the part of your brain that helps you remember things. So you need to understand that as of this now, you're already using 100% of your brain. You have been using it since the time that you understand something. Don't nobody lie to you. 10% of your brain is a lie. So sleep, move, eat, keep learning, connect with people that you love. That's how you optimize the most powerful computer on earth, the one that is sitting inside your brain. When you are sure there's that person you know in your life that you think they are not using 100% of their brain, you can share this video with them so that they can know that they are using 100%. You can know another person that they're already buying brain supplements. Send this video with them so that they can understand. You will not just be saving their money, you are saving their brain. And as always, this is the Aproko Doctor School of Medicine. I'll see you in the next one.